Noise from Bosch oven electronics cooling fan noisy. Model E7282U. It has been replaced under warranty once already, with minor reduction in noise. Technician said live with it. After spending $2,900 plus installation, I should not have to live with it. Is it repairable? If so, how? Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Typical fan noise, air moving, is normal. However, in some cases, the screws that secure the fan in place are stripped and allow excessive vibration and can be quite annoying. Is the noise just that of air moving, or do you hear a buzzing/vibration?
Thanks, Kelly. Noises from bearing on end of squirrel cage fan. Not air noise. By pressing with my finger on the silicone bearing holder, the vibration noise disappears. It's now apparent that it's a design defect. I'm now fabricating a metal piece to exert slight pressure on the silicone. But I'm not sure it will be durable. Do you know of an updated fan part which eliminates the buzzing? It's Bosch part 448635. The Sears technician told me he could not fix this, as it's a design problem.
There is actually a service bulletin out for that problem. Give me just a few minutes to upload it for you. Have a look at this bulletin. Does it appear to be what you are experiencing? Click here. There is a secondary bulletin below that may be more relevant to your model. Click here.
Kelly, thanks for the bulletins. Neither seem to talk about my issue, a noisy bearing in the fan itself. I can eliminate the vibration by pressing on the bearing with my finger, but really need a redesigned fan or bearing or something else. The noise is coming from the back, not from the front, which is discussed in bulletin number 2. As mentioned earlier, an updated fan, or part, is what I need. In looking online, the part sellers are still selling the same vibrating part which has already been replaced.
There are no other bulletins, but the second one appears to be somewhat of a structural update.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.